Okay, so it is time for packing. So I am bringing you along with me as I pack. I'm completely unorganized right now, but I'm just gonna roll with it. So I've kind of got everything laid out here. I've kind of been through it. I do need another top, but I'll just buy it when I'm there because I've already packed up all my other stuff. But I'm just going to show you kind of how I pack everything away. So I've got all of my underwear put into here. I've got all my electronics put into here. This one is for my cleanser, my shampoos. I have to still wash my hair before I go. That's what I'm doing after this. So they will go into there. This has got all my other beauty products. So it has just a little bit of makeup and my face care in it. I definitely overpack on beauty products, but when you work in the industry, that's that. This is my dirty clothing bag. This one has got earplugs, eye mask, and pajamas in it. I've got a bag scale that I have to keep out. Okay. Okay, so I get my travel pouches and put my clothes into them. So I have all my hiking stuff here. I have 2 socks. I have a long sleeve light wear for when I'm hiking, another long sleeve, hiking shorts, and now I think about it, it's going to be pretty cold there, so I probably only need 1 pair of shorts, 1 pair of shorts, pair of pants, hiking pants that actually go into shorts. This is my down jacket. And then my rain jacket. Now this stuff I won't use when I very first get there, so that goes towards the bottom of the bag, even though my bag does open up at all ends. It's a nice big one, that'll be the base of my bag. So I've got 2 pairs of jeans, the other ones I'm wearing on the plane. I've got 3 tops. I don't have a top to wear on the plane yet, so I don't know what I'm going to be doing about that. And then 1 pair of shorts. I've got 1 play suit and 2 dresses. Don't know where to put this one. I'm wearing a cardigan on the plane as well, which is pretty big. Otherwise I would wear this one because it takes up a lot of room. But feathers. Also got workout gear, so just a pair of leggings, a pair of shorts and a crop top. Stuff them in there. Okay. Now I have got an umbrella and a travel towel, which I'll just shove on the side here. I've got, this is just like, has medications and stuff in it. So it's got some Hydrolyte, which I can probably put these in there. Some stuff for if I get a cold or flu. I also have stuff if I get like travel diarrhea, which probably don't need to worry about that in New Zealand. Also have stuff for if I get jet lag, like help you sleep. Don't really need that when I'm going to New Zealand. So just shove my Hydrolyte in there. Okay, so I've got my mini straightener, which I only just bought one of these. I don't usually travel with one of these, so I don't really know where to put that. Possibly throw that with my skincare and stuff. These things are so good, they fit so much stuff. So this is going to sit like towards the top of my pack. Now this jumper, I think I'm going to sit that at the very top of my pack just to give some padding so my skincare at the top is safe. This is Womanly Products. This I put in the bottom of my bag here, which is where I also keep my shoes because that's just going to be dirty laundry. Now I'll also take a spare one of these just for whatever. Pajamas, I'll put that in this bag just so I have my eye mask and stuff for the plane. I've got all my locks. Now this time I invested in one of these locks over these locks because in the hostels I was finding these locks wouldn't fit around some of the locks they had. So this one's good for when you're in hostels, locking stuff up. Underwear sits at the top of the bag. And that's it, really. It's extra. So these I won't take. I have a watch this time around, which I don't usually wear, so that can go in my wallet. I do also have this hat. Don't really know how to pack that yet. I'll figure that out. My nail care stuff. Some more cords. Now with my electronics, I also keep these in my backpack because it's expensive stuff. And then this time, I also have my laptop, which I just bought, but I'm unaware of if it's going to fit in here or not. So let's give it a go. I'm going to have to invest in a new day pack at some point. This is really not ideal. I do have a laptop carry bag, but I just didn't really want to take it because it's annoying. And that's kind of it for now. I'm gonna go wash my hair so then I can finish packing the rest of the stuff. Alright, so I had my shower, all my shampoo, a bit much, sunscreen. Now I've put my laptop charger, I've got some snacks in here, bottle of water, and a book with a pen. Now I have my travel wallet. This is a security thing, so safety when you pull it, just in case you get in danger. But yeah, I have my travel wallet here. I have hooked my hat on with a little clip here. I've got my shoes that I'm going to pack. So these 2 pairs of shoes, so flip-flops, walking shoes, and then my hiking boots. I'm going to wear these on the plane because they take up the most room. Even though my backpack, I've still got loads of room, so I might be able to actually put them in. These also aren't the best flip-flops because they don't fold down as easy, but I've got plenty of room. Book. Which means I'll wear these on my feet. And this is how my bag looks right now. Loads of room. Thank you so much for watching, guys. That is literally how I pack my bag. Super basic, super easy. I've done it so many times now, so I've kind of got it down to a T. I was actually in a massive rush when I was packing that bag. I definitely left it a little bit last minute with all the organizing and stuff that I had to do, but I just wanted to show you how I do it, kind of what I pack, because it's something that a lot of people struggle with, especially packing minimally, which I am extremely good at, if maybe even too good at it. I've bought some new clothes since I've been here, now that I've been in Queenstown for a while and I wasn't backpacking around, so I've got some new stuff now, which is kind of needed when you're in a location for a longer period of time. But from now on, videos are going to be a bit more of me traveling. Sorry that I've been super slack with uploading. I've kind of had a new laptop and was really struggling to like make content with the new editing software that I had, and then I got sick, so then I couldn't film this because my voice was gone, and it's pretty hard not to be social all the time when you're living in a hostel. So sorry for the delay. I have got another video already edited, pretty much ready to come out, so there won't be too long in between these two. I'm going to try and get a little bit more consistent for you, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.